Hello everyone, myself Balram. Today I am going to discuss about what are the different ways of increasing production on the same piece of land. Use example to discuss. There are mainly two ways of increasing production on the same piece of land. Number one, multiple cropping, and number two, modern farming methods. At first, we will discuss about multiple cropping. Multiple cropping means when farmers produce more than one crops in the same piece of land, and multiple croppings is one of the best way to increasing more production on the same piece of land. In this ways, during Rabi season, wheat and mustard simultaneously grows in the same times. Okay, in this way, multiple cropping helps the increasing production in the on the same piece of land. Farmers of Palampurs are able to practice multiple croppings due to modern irrigation system, because electricity helps them. Electric run tube well can irrigate more large area of the field. Okay, next is modern farming methods. Modern farming methods, one of the important ways to increase more crops on the same piece of land, because modern farming methods produce more and more crops, because due to utilizations of modern inputs, modern equipments like HYV seeds, like high yielding variety seeds, using of manure and fertilizers, pesticides and insecticides, and modern equipments also helps to produce more and more production in the field. Okay, like using tractor, using harvester, and different type of agricultural equipments helps and increase production in the same piece of land. Okay, so modern farming methods, another important ways to increase production in the same piece of land. Okay, for example, green revolution, one of the most important example of utilizations of modern equipments. Okay, so in this way, farmers can produce more crops in the same pieces of land. Okay, I think you have got sufficient knowledge from this video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. We will meet in a new video with a new content. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.